Hi, my name is Virginia San Fratello, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about the WUIware. WUIware are made out of 3D printed wildfire ash. During the last three California wildfires, I was collecting ash on the windowsills and the car hood of the homes adjacent to where I live. So here is the ash, some of the ash that was collected. And I combined that ash with a biopolymer to make a homemade filament and use that filament in a variety of desktop printers to create the objects, which you can see here, called WUIware. WUIware stands for Wildland Urban Interface. This is the zone that exists between the wildlands and the urban centers and is the area at most risk for human settlement. So this custom homemade 3D printed filament can be used in any desktop printer. One of the things that I like most about it is that the impurities from the wildfire ash show up in the 3D print itself, which gives it an incredibly unique and specific quality. And for me, these pieces raise the questions, what can we do with this material that's being generated in abundance? How do we build and how do we rebuild the future?